Hi girlies, welcome to my channel. My name is Araceli Hernandez. I'm a beauty content creator on TikTok and Instagram. This is my first YouTube video, and if you can see in the title, it's gonna be a makeup tutorial, like my daily makeup routine that gives me this flawless base. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know anything you genuinely want to see from my channel. It could be anything. I'm willing. Not anything, okay? Don't tell me to jump off a plane. But anything you guys want to see, like makeup. I could do vlogs.
Bombastic side eye.
And I'll leave all my socials in the description, so make sure to follow me, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so this is gonna be like a more detailed YouTube video. If you do follow me on TikTok, I have posted multiple YouTube videos.
Bruh.
I have posted multiple TikTok videos doing my makeup, but this is gonna be like a super detailed, like me showing every single product vibes. But yeah, first we're gonna start with skin prep. I use this Pond's moisturizer. My skin is like super dry. Okay, let's start with that. I have super dry skin and acne prone skin, as you can tell. So if like you have similar skin, this may work for you as well, hopefully. If you guys need any tips, or if you guys have genuinely any questions, you guys could comment them down below and I'll reply to you guys. Hello YouTuber or no? Sorry. Okay, so I just applied all that lotion all over my face. It leaves your skin super glowy, super cute. And I just let that dry. And then I put primer. I use a fan to dry it. I'm gonna dry it really quick. Okay. Next step is primer. Lately I've been obsessed with the Milk Cloud Glow Primer. Oh, I got this scent as gifted. I'll leave like the prices of everything, like the names, in the description so you guys like could find them easier. But it's a foaming primer. I find it so cool. But I just apply that all over my face. This is how it looks. You guys hear it? No? Okay. And I just spread that all over my face. Anyways, this primer isn't like sticky. Well, it's kind of sticky. I don't know how to explain it, but I love it. Like, it leaves your skin like super glowy, super nice, super cute. But yeah, Milk, if you want to sponsor me, I'm so down, please. I'm just kidding, sorry. Okay, next, this has always been my favorite foundation. I recommend it to every single person whenever they ask me for a foundation because it's literally so good and it's pretty affordable. It's the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. It's medium to full coverage. My camera just turned off by itself, so if you see a fat cut, please ignore that. Next, I'm going to be using this Say Dewy bronzer in shade Spritz. It's one of my favorite bronzers right now at the moment. And I put it like right there, my cheekbones. And then I'm going to put it jawline area. I'm going to put it on my forehead. Like, it looks like poop, but I swear it's not poop. And then just some on my nose. I don't tend to contour, bronze, whatever my nose because I think, not to be cocky, but I think I have a pretty decent nose. That sounds hella cocky, no? Is cocky the word? If it's not, I'm sorry. I'm not a English major. But I'm just gonna blend this out with a brush. Like so. Okay, once it's like fully blended, oh my nose, snap. Okay, once it's like fully blended where it doesn't look really harsh, that's how you know I'm done. And I'll be right back. My camera's overheating. Give me a second.
A few moments later.
Okay, after the bronzer, I do blush. This is the best tip that I ever seen on TikTok, YouTube, whatever, is doing blush before concealer. I'm going to be using the Adore You Lip and Cheek Balm by Colourpop. Colourpop, please sponsor me. I literally love you guys. Like, literally love you guys. Anyways, I'm going to be using this fat brush. It's from BS Mall. I don't know. I probably got it at Ross or something. And this is the color. It's like a very pink. And I'm a blush girly, so if you see me like with a pound of blush, just don't say nothing. Or say something. If I look stupid, please say something. But this is where I apply it. Just like on top of my bronzer. And then I put it on the same spot on the other side. Like so. It's like, I don't know if the camera captures it, but it's like such a pretty pink. Hot pink vibes. Okay, next I'll be using concealer. My top two concealers right now are the Hourglass concealer and the Huda Beauty concealer. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty right now because, yeah, it's in shade Cotton Candy. So I'm just gonna put it under my eyeballs. Right here. And I put it on my, between my brows and some on my chin. Maybe I do use a lot of concealer, but I just always like the outcome of it. Keep in mind, by the end of this video, like, I'm a full gram girly to the day I die. Like, I'll use a pound of makeup, no hesitation. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be using this brush. It's from Shein. Okay, hopefully my camera doesn't overheat again. But as I was saying, I'm using the Shein concealing brush. It's from Shein. Hello, I said that so wrong. And it's basically just to blend, like, not to fully blend it out, because again, I don't like how brushes blend makeup. So I'm just gonna like basically spread it out so I could blend it out faster with a beauty blender. And I'm gonna be using this little one from Target. The Target beauty blenders are also one of my faves. This is another one, my favorite. And it's more affordable than the Sephora ones. So if you're looking for beauty blenders, I definitely recommend the Target ones. Again, I'll put the link down below so it's easier for you guys to find everything. Oh my god, I forgot to do my brows. Anyways, it's okay. But I'm just blending this out. Okay, next step is like super duper important to me. So I'm gonna be using the Sephora Microsmooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder in shade 30 Sand. I'm gonna be using a powder puff, and I grab some product, of course. But before I apply it, I make sure my under eye stuff, concealer, hasn't creased, and then I apply it. And this like allows your makeup not to look creased vibes. It still looks a little creased because I wasn't fast enough because I was talking. I'm out of breath. I'm not used to all this talking. TikTok doesn't make me like talk all this much because, well, honestly, I stopped doing talking videos because I got shy. Because I was gaining followers. I'm like, oh my god, I'm so shy. So I stopped doing talking videos. I do them like from here. I do them here and there, but not as much. Okay, I just copied the same step I just did to the other side, and then I'm gonna apply it right here on my forehead and just on my chin. I try to avoid my smile lines because they do get hella dry, so I avoid putting extra powder on there. And yeah, so I'm just removing any excess powder with this Rare Beauty brush. I don't know what it's called, but it's a rare beauty brush. Okay, next step is powder products. So I'm gonna be using the One Size Beauty. One Size Beauty, please sponsor me. I literally love you guys. Please. I have so many products from you guys, but we're gonna be using the One Size bronzer sculpt trio. This is the medium dark trio. I'm gonna be using the shade The Fix. It's the top shade right here. Oh, hello, you guys can see yourself. Sorry, well, not yourself, you can see me. Anyways, we're gonna be using this brush. I have no idea where it's from again, but we're just gonna tap into that. You guys see that? No fallout. Me. But I'm just gonna put it right where I applied my liquid one. My camera's overheating again, but I'm just gonna move it all, like the outers of my face. I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I applied the bronzer in wherever I applied the liquid version of it. Now we're gonna be doing blush, and I'm gonna use the NYX Buttermelt blush in shade Cool Pink, or My Better Half. I don't know what shade it is, but it's this super pretty pink. Hello, do you see this? Hello. What if I record this whole video and you can't even hear it? Hopefully you can. I'm gonna be using this fluffy brush from Real Techniques. It's the 400 and okay, don't focus that. 407. You get the memo. Just gonna tap into that. Make sure not to use a lot because this blush is super pigmented. And I'm just applying it the same spot I applied the liquid version of it. Do you see how pretty that is? It's gorgeous. And I apply it on the tip of my nose and my chin to get that like blushy look. But this is the blush. Look how beautiful. Okay, next step is loose powder. My holy grail. I recommend this powder to every single person that asks me for a powder recommendation, and it's the One Size powder. Call me a d, but it's so good. And I'm gonna be using the Ultra Peach one. I got this set in PR, so I was super excited that I got this as PR. Well, not P. I'm a affiliate with them on TikTok, so that's why I got it. But I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. I love baking, so if you see me using a shit ton of powder, please don't say nothing. It's what works for me. But I'm just gonna apply it in the places that you see me applying it. I don't know the names of my face, so that's why I'm not like giving you guys exact names. Okay, under my cheekbones, my under eyes, around my mouth, and in right here, my T-zone. Is that what it's called? Maybe, perhaps. And then I let that sit for a little, and while that sits, I'm gonna do my eyebrows since I forgot. Anyways, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my lips, so I'm just gonna remove any excess makeup on my lips. My camera just turned off by itself, so but I was saying, if you guys have the money for this lip liner, definitely recommend, because it's like super smooth, super soft. I love it. In the middle I use like a pinker lighter shade, and I'm gonna be using this Maybelline one. It's in the Superstay Matte ink in shade. It's not there, but I'm just gonna apply it to the middle. Excuse me. Okay, why does that look like that? I'm just gonna blend it out with a brush. Just like that, giving it that ombre-ish look. And I'm just gonna put some lip gloss over it. I'm using the Kini. It's like a small business. The sweetest people in the world. This is their lip oil. I usually use the e.l.f. lip oil, but that's in my school bag and it's not in my room. But this is the lips. And next, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. But since I forgot to do them when I started, it's a little bit harder. But I'm just going to remove any makeup that fell on my eyebrows. I got my eyebrows tinted, so I don't know how to do my eyebrows, so I just put like some gel to brush them because I never learned how to do my eyebrows, unfortunately. So I was never like that Latina makeup guru because I just didn't know how to do my eyebrows. And I never learned because I was like, oh, okay, whatever. So I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. brow lamination gel. It's so good if you haven't tried it. But I'm going to just brush it out with the tool it has. But as I was saying, I never learned how to do my eyebrows. I never found the need. Because I was like, oh, I could just use an eyebrow gel. And I recently got them tinted and waxed and everything. And I love it. I want to get them laminated super bad, so that's probably next. Okay, stop the yapping. Last step to my makeup routine. Should I do eyeshadow? Let me look for my eyeshadow palette. Okay, next step is my eyeshadow, my go-to eyeshadow that I basically do every time I do my makeup. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is the Villains Misunderstood Colourpop palette. And these are the colors. But I'm only going to be using white and this brown color because that's all you need for this eyeshadow look. So I'm going to start off with using the shade Devious in this palette, and I'm going to like blend it out in the outer corner of my eye. Like so. Just like that. Not super harsh because this is like a super casual eyeshadow look. And then I'm going to do the same thing in the other eye. Just like that. And next I'm going to use the white shade and I'm going to put it in my inner corner of my eye. Just like so. Oh my god, that looks so messy. What the hell? This brush is so bad. It's doing me so dirty. Oh my god, this white is so pigmented. Basically that. Oh, you can barely see it on camera, so let me use a different brush. Okay, let me do this on the other eye. So I'm just gonna tap the white right into my inner corner. Like so. Just like that. Let me fix this eye. I don't know what's going on there. And that's all I do. I feel like using like that bold eye without being super dramatic. And now the last step to my makeup routine is the One Size Until Dawn setting spray. It's my favorite setting spray. This is the jumbo one. They just came out with it and I was like, I need it, so I got it. But I've restocked this spray so many times because I literally love it, and whenever I use it on someone, they love it as well because it's that good. So I'm just gonna like spray it onto my face. Just like that. It does have a very strong smell, so if you're bad with smells, I don't recommend it, but it's so good. This is my everyday makeup look that gives me the smoothest base ever. But that's my makeup routine. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment down below any other videos that you guys would like to see, and any tips that you have for a new YouTuber, hopefully YouTuber. And I'll leave all my socials down below in the description and all the products that I used in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.